A business needs to have certain elements for it to work for those that have no experience on how to make a long-term income online. It must give you a ready-made website. Onpassive does. It must give you products to sell. Onpassive gives you 50+. It must give you targeted traffic. Onpassive does. It must give you a global market. Onpassive has a market of 4 billion+. It must follow up on possible prospects. Onpassive does. It must earn for you 24/7. Onpassive does. It must give you a passive income. Onpassive does. It must give you a residual monthly income. Onpassive does. It must increase your income daily. Onpassive does. It must give you an income that is unlimited. Onpassive does. Founder positions are still available. Onpassive can change your financial future and make you free to do as you please whenever and wherever you please. So, is your why big enough? Not much time left now. Many are still on the fence about this amazing business that gives you everything you need to succeed on a plate. I advise you not to sleep on this one. Those that get in will be bouncing off the walls with joy and happiness. Founder position is currently $97, increasing to $149 very soon. Once we launch, you will be required to purchase a package one time out of pocket for between $100 to $250. The amount has not been finalized yet, but it will be between these figures. This is what gets you all you need to be successful. In the following months, your package payments will be from profit, guaranteed. There is no such thing as something for nothing. No get rich quick will make you financially free long term. Jumping from one opportunity to the other ends once you join Onpassive.